Welcome to the new video on creating an NC program in Fusion. This will cover what are NC program, how can set them up, and how can save you a lot of time. So let's start. In manufacturing workspaces, you create the toolpath, then go to the post-processing option to generate the NC code. Both functions are used to output NC code, but the NC program function allows more control over operation ordering and saving settings for use when outputting NC code later. Let's look into what are the advantages of NC program. First one is NC programs allow you to save post-processor settings, including file names, output locations, and even the specific post-processor, making it easy to manage multiple machine configurations. This feature is particularly useful for shops with multiple machines or different post-processor settings. Another advantage of NC programs is the ability to organize operations across multiple setups by selecting one or more operations or setups. In this sample part, there are two setups. Setup 1 uses fixture offset 1 and machines the top of the part, while setup 2 uses fixture offset 2 and machines the bottom of the part. You can post-process each setup separately and run them on different machines, or run them one after another on the same machine. For better efficiency, use two fixtures, machine the top on one side and the bottom on the other using the same tools. This reduces tool changes and saves cycle time. Use different WCS offsets, like G54, G55 for each fixture, and use an NC program in Fusion to organize toolpaths by tool for optimal output. In the NC program dialog, the Operations tab shows the available setups and their toolpath operations. Here you can select which setups and which operations should be included in the group. Select the checkbox for Setup 1. All toolpaths move to the right pane. Repeat for Setup 2. Initially, all the operations are grouped by setup. Select Reorder to minimize tool changes. And note that the toolpaths are now grouped in a more efficient order. Fewer tool changes optimize current spindle tool usage. To exclude operations, uncheck the boxes next to setups. One key advantage of the NC program in Fusion is its efficient toolpath management. When new toolpaths are added, it shows an out-of-date warning, allowing you to update them quickly without recreating the entire program. This keeps your workflow organized and ensures consistent, up-to-date output. By clicking on the three vertical dots in the NC program and selecting Edit Expression, you can define custom expressions to generate specific folder names or file names based on parameters such as setup name, tool name, operation type, or even date and time. This feature gives you greater control over how and where your output files are stored, making it easier to manage large projects, maintain naming consistency, and streamline collaboration with others. You can also create setup sheets using NC program. This opens a Save dialog to choose a Fusion project and folder. Setup sheets are now cloud-based, enabling Fusion's collaboration features. Once you click Save, the setup sheet opens in a new dialog box. At the top, you can select different configurations from the drop-down menu to show more or less detail, including images. The Help button in the NC program dialog is a great way to get more information about each checkbox and setting. Thank you for watching the video.